You've done the hard part. You know how to find clients who need VAPI agents, and you know how to deliver results that make them happy. Your revenue is growing and your reputation is solid. But you're facing a new, more dangerous problem. Every time you sign a new client, you feel a mix of excitement and dread. Because you know that new client means more manual reporting, another custom billing setup, and more of your personal time spent on fulfillment. You're at a crossroads. You can either say no to new business and stagnate, or you can hire more people, watch your complexity explode, and your profit margins shrink. That is a scaling trap. But what if there's a third option? What if you could double your client base without doubling your headcount? In this video, I'll show you how to install the systems that let you scale your agency profitably. The hands-on, high-touch approach that earned you your first clients will prevent you from successfully serving your next 10, 20 clients. And the solution isn't to work harder or hire faster. It's to build a scalable delivery engine. And ChatDash is that engine. It's a client delivery platform designed to solve the three core bottlenecks you're facing right now. Let me guess your current situation. Your premium service relies on you personally. You run the reports, you schedule the update calls, you answer the one-off questions. And your time is the bottleneck, and you can't be everywhere at once. And in an ideal world, you want your clients have a branded self-serve portal. They can see their own analytics, listen to call recordings, and verify the agent's performance 24/7 without consuming a minute of your time. You deliver continuous value automatically. This is exactly what the ChatDash system does for you. We give you an instant white label client portal. This allows you to maintain that premium high touch feel, but deliver it through a scalable system, not your personal calendar. Now let's actually go into one of my client accounts. So this is the exact client dashboard once they log into the client portal. And of course, all the branding, including domain, logo, and color theme will be customizable. And on analytics tab, you can basically check all the generic call metrics from Retail AI, and you can also add a custom chart based on your post-call analysis. And in the conversation tab, you can check all the transcripts, and you can even listen to the call. You can see custom analysis and custom variables you sent for the call. Moving on to project settings, this is where our website widget lives. And as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, there's a website widget that you can embed directly into your client's website. So we support three different types of widget. For voice agents, we generally recommend using Simple Voice because it's very simple to use and very intuitive. For website visitors and for deploying this widget, you can basically copy this code and paste it into your client's website. Let's move on to the next part, which is the operational drag, especially for outbound call campaigns. Let's say your client gives you a list of 1,000 contacts. That simple task kicks off a fragile multi-step nightmare. You upload the leads into a Google Sheet or an Airtable base. Then you head over to make.com or n8n to build a complex workflow that reads each row and triggers the VAPI API. And if the client asks for a simple change like don't call on weekends or try busy numbers again later, you have to dive back into that complex workflow and pray you don't break the entire chain. And when you think about the scaled version of this, your operations run from a single command center. And you upload that same list of 1,000 contacts and you restrict calls to specific days and times, like Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and establish a smart retry policy like try again in 1 hour if no answer to maximize the value of your list. And you click run, and the campaign executes flawlessly within the exact strategic guardrails you've set. And we created this scaled version of outbound calls in ChatDash. We built the outbound campaign engine you wish you had all in one box. ChatDash completely replaces the need for separate spreadsheets for your leads and eliminates the complex workflows you build in tools like Make.com, N8N, or JHL. And it gives you granular code-free control over your entire campaign strategy. You become the operator of a smooth, efficient, and highly tunable machine, freeing you up to focus on high-level strategy and closing your next deal. And now let me actually show you how you could set up outbound call campaigns in ChatDash. First, you want to go to Clients and Client Access. Make sure to turn leads and campaigns on. Leads is where you could upload the list of contacts, and campaigns is where you could actually launch outbound calling campaigns. You want to go to project settings and assign phone numbers from retail to this client. And then you want to go to client's dashboard and see if leads and campaigns menus are available. And in leads tab, you want to import the list of contacts. So you can add phone numbers and name, and you can also add custom variables for dynamic calls. And upload your list, click on import, and now you can use this list of contacts for your outbound campaigns. Moving on to campaigns, click on create, and you can use existing leads, or you can even upload a CSV directly into the campaign. And you can select phone numbers to rotate and configure when to call these leads, basically setting up calling days, calling hours, and the time zone as well. And you can also set retry policy when someone is busy and didn't pick up. You can click on create, and ChatDash will automatically handle the campaign for you. Like, you can also check the call transcripts of the specific campaigns, just like this. You can see all the logs and all the progress of the campaign and transcript of that specific campaigns, like this. Moving on to the last part, it probably resonated with a lot of agency owners who are scaling recently, which is the profit leak dilemma. I guess your current reality looks like this. You know you're profitable, but you suspect it could be better. Manually calculating VAPIs per minute usage for each client, adding your margin, and creating invoices is not just time consuming, it's where profit disappears. A small miscalculation here, a few unbilled minutes there, and it adds up to thousands of dollars in lost revenue per year. And your scaled reality looks like this. Your billing is automated and precise. Every minute of usage is tracked per client and rebuilt at the exact margin you set. Profit leaks are plugged permanently, and your revenue collection is as professional as your service. And with the ChatDash system, we exactly solve this. Our automated Stripe rebilling is your profit protection tool. It ensures you capture the full value you provide, turning a major admin headache into a reliable, hands-off financial asset. And let me show you how this works in action. First, make sure to log in as an agency, and you want to go to Stripe billing menu and connect your Stripe account. And you follow all the onboarding process in Stripe dashboard. And after onboarding, you will be able to see this new connected accounts created under your Stripe account. And once you see this message, you're good to go. And you want to go to active subscription products and click on create product. And you can basically have three different types of products. First one is retainer plus overage. Second one is usage based, and third one is value based. So it really depends on your use case and the stage of your agent is in. I'll just go for retainer plus overage because it's probably the most common use case. Yeah, so you're gonna select base subscription fee as a pricing model, and you're gonna set the monthly flat fee. This is gonna be charged to your clients no matter how much they use, and you set the included usage limit for that retainer fee. And select the billing metric is probably gonna be minutes for voice agents, and you wanna set the overage price per minute. Click on create, and you basically have $3.99 per month retainer with 1,000 minutes included, with overage rate of 25 cents. And you want to go back to clients, project settings, and you want to go to Stripe billing and assign this product. And after assigning it, you're basically good to go. ChatDash will automatically track usage and automatically bill your clients based on the usage of your AI agent. So we have covered three biggest bottlenecks you might be facing as a growing agency owner. And the transformation ChatDash could give you is the new business model. The fundamental shift is this. You stop running a business where revenue equals people. You start running a business where revenue equals systems. You're no longer just selling a service, you're delivering a productized solution. This allows you to grow revenue exponentially without growing your cost linearly. You gain leverage, freedom, and a much more valuable, sellable company at the end. If you're feeling the pain of scaling your successful VAPI agency, it's probably a sign you need better systems, not more stuff. ChatDash is the client delivery platform that lets you escape the scaling trap. With ChatDash, you can scale your client base without hiring more people, maximize the profit you make from every single client, deliver a premium automated experience that clients love. Free yourself from daily operations to focus on strategic growth. Stop letting your own success become your biggest bottleneck. Click the link in the description to start a free trial and install the operating system your agency needs to scale. Thanks for watching.